stores. What is the average profit margin on Etsy? So typically my stores range from around 15% to 50% net margin. So what does that net margin means? Give you an example. If you make £100 and your margin is 20%, your net margin, 20%, you take home 20%. Typically, you're going to calculate that before taxes. So a little bit taken away for taxes if you pay taxes. Not if you pay, but you know what I mean. I'm in Dubai, so it's different. But 20%. So £100 revenue, 20% net margin. So you make £20, £20, it goes in your back pocket, and that's what you have to spend, basically. So it ranges from about 15 to about 50. Typical average net margin I'm seeing across my stores and across the Etsy Kings boys as well. Etsy boys and girls. Boys and girls sounds so weird. But is around 25, 30%. That is kind of the average. You can go up to 50%. You can go as low as 15. You can see this across the board. But typically 25% net margin is what you see. And that's actually very good for e-commerce. Big businesses typically run around 10 to 15% net margin, sometimes even less. Like Fortune 500 companies. And then a lot of e-commerce stores typically run around the 15% net margin point as well. So Etsy's actually very, very good, especially right now because it's unsaturated.